Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a parent, you know that cleaning baby bottles can easily become one of the most time consuming parts of your daily routine. That's exactly why the Papablic SafeguardPlus baby bottle washer is generating so much attention. Unlike ordinary bottle washers, the Safeguard Plus features a built-in Purify Clean water purification system that filters tap water in just 1 minute. According to Papablic, it helps reduce lead, PFAS minerals, and other impurities, ensuring every wash starts with purified water without the need for distilled water. The Safeguard Plus is more than just a bottle washer. It's a complete 5-in-1 system that filters, sterilizes, dries, and stores baby bottle and accessories in one machine. It can even keep items hygienically stored for up to 72 hours after cleaning. When it comes to performance, the machine uses up to 122,000 pascal of high pressure spray power to provide a thorough 360-degree clean. Whether you are washing bottles, nipples, valves, or breast pump parts, it's designed to help remove stubborn milk residue with minimal effort. The drying system is equally impressive. Dual turbofans and a 72 degrees Celsius drying cycle help ensure bottles come out clean, dry, and ready for the next feeding. Another major advantage is capacity. The Safeguard Plus can wash up to 8 baby bottles or 2 complete pump sets at once. On top of that, the machine uses only 0.8 gallons of water per cycle and eliminates the need for distilled water, making it both convenient and more environmentally friendly. Public also includes a starter kit with 60 detergent tablets and backs the product with a 3-year warranty for added peace of mind. Overall, the Public Safeguard Plus combines water purification, powerful cleaning, sterilization, drying, and storage into one premium appliances. If you are looking for a high capacity bottle washer with advanced feature designed to simplify daily bottle care, the Safeguard Plus is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.